You weren't born broke, you are taught to stay that way. Here is what schools never taught you. There are three ways to make money. Number one, active. You work and you get paid. Number two, passive. You build once and you get paid forever. And number three is leverage. You multiply income through systems and people. What the people don't work harder, they work smarter. They learn money like a skill, and so can you. Your financial freedom starts with one shift. Stop chasing money, start understanding it. Follow if you are ready to make money work for you. Let me tell you something most people never hear growing up. Money is not just for the lucky, it's a skill that you can learn. Millions work hard every day, yet still struggle financially. Why? Because working hard without understanding money is like running a race with your eyes closed. So in this video, I'm going to break down the basics of building wealth, how to make money, manage it, and multiply it. So if you are ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and finally take control of your financial future, this is where it starts. Let's dive into the mindset, the method, and the money game that the wealthy already know, but most were never taught. Welcome to Success Strategies with Wale Akinyemi. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more success strategies. Money is more than just currency. It is a tool that provides security, freedom, and the ability to create a better life. Yet many people struggle with financial success simply because they do not understand how money works and how to build wealth effectively. So this video will provide a strong foundation for understanding how to make money, why financial knowledge is important, and why making money is a skill that anyone can develop. Making money is not about law, it is about understanding the fundamental principle that govern wealth creation. Some people work hard their entire life but never achieve financial success because they focus only on earning, not on managing and multiplying their money. There are three primary ways to make money. Number one, active income. This is money earned through direct effort, such as a salary from a job or fees from a service-based business. You exchange time and skills for money. Passive income, that's number two. This is money earned with little or no ongoing effort after the initial work is done, such as income from investment, rental properties, or royalty. Number three is leverage income. This is money made by utilizing resources beyond your personal effort, such as through business ownership, networks, or automation. To truly build wealth, one must learn to combine these three income streams, ensuring that money works for you rather than you working for money indefinitely. Financial knowledge is power. Without it, even those who earn a lot of money can find themselves in financial trouble. Many lottery winners, high-earning professionals go bankrupt because they lack the knowledge to manage, invest, and grow their wealth. Why do you need financial literacy? Number one, it helps you make smart money decisions. When you understand how money works, you can make informed financial choices instead of relying on guesswork. Also, it protects you from financial pitfalls. You see, many people fall into debt traps and bad investment due to a lack of understanding about how money and financial system operate. Also, it enables you to grow your wealth. Knowledge of investing, saving, and budgeting allow you to multiply your income and create long-term wealth. It gives you financial security and independence. So when you know how to manage your finances, you can avoid financial stress and create a life of abundance. To become successful in making money, you must commit to lifelong learning. about financing. Wealthy people never stop learning about money, investment, and opportunity. Many people believe that wealth is only for a lucky few, but this is a misconception. Making money is a skill, just like learning to play an instrument, drive a car, or speak a new language. Skills can be learned. Anyone can learn the skills required to earn, manage, and grow money with the right education and practice. Skills improve with experience. The more you practice making smart financial decisions, the better you become at generating and maintaining wealth. Skills can be taught by experts. If you learn from successful mentors, books, and courses, you can develop the ability to attract and grow wealth. To master the skill of making money, you must develop a money mindset. Shift your thinking from scarcity to abundance. Believe that financial success is possible for you. Learn practical money skills. Understand budgeting, investing, saving, and generating multiple income streams. Take consistent action. Making money is not just about knowledge, it requires action and persistence. Understanding money and how to build wealth is the first step toward financial success. Making money is not about working harder, but working smarter. With the right knowledge and skills, anyone can learn to make, manage, and multiply money effectively. Comment, I'm ready to build wealth if this video opened your eyes, and follow for more money wisdom that schools and society never teach. Join the Rega Planet Pragmatic class for deeper insight on success, wealth creation, and personal growth.